Welcome guys to your guide to website. So that was the quick intro. Alright guys, so today I'm going to show you a little bit about the PHP syntax. I think it's important for a beginner to know the basics of PHP. So I'm just going to go to w3schools.com and explain some about the syntax so you don't have to read it and you can just code along. So first of all, to write PHP, you gotta start with these things. So arrow, question mark, PHP. That's how you start PHP. Of course, you always gotta close it with question mark and arrow to the left. And yeah, so this is how you start up the PHP. By the way, don't look at this. This is just some information that you can see here, this text. So yeah, this is how you write PHP. And inside here comes the PHP logic. So you can go on. So yeah, here's an example of echoing PHP. Echo is like the most used thing in PHP, and echo is just to show something on the page, like here. So in the PHP, inside the PHP text, we can just write echo and double quotes and a semicolon. The semicolon is how you close every PHP logic. So this is PHP logic, and we are echoing hello world. So if you do this, click on save, and yeah, you're gonna see hello world. So that is echoing in PHP. Can go on. You have comments in PHP, and this is how you write comments. You just so you have logic here. You just put 2 slashes before it, and it changes into another color in my IDE. But now this is a comment, and the browser won't read it. So if I save this and refresh, hello world is gone because it's just a comment. It's just for the programmer to read. And you can just talk here things, okay, let me comment everything here that I'm explaining. So number 1 was echoing, right? So that's my first comment. Number 2, commenting, right? So let's go to number 3 then. Let's see. So yeah, of course, PHP is also case sensitive. So you can echo like this or echo like this. So let's say PHP is case sensitive. And you can just code along with me, guys. So usually people just type echo in normal words. How do you call this? Not bold letters? I don't know. Sorry guys, I'm from the Netherlands, and this is my second language. Well, actually my third, because I was born in Kurdistan. But let's go on. So you can echo like normal echo, right? And this is gonna work. Normal echo. But you can also do like with these letters, and it's big letters echo, and it's still gonna work. Big letters echo, but nobody uses this, and just for readability, use this because let's say 99.99% of the programmers use this. So that's for case sensitivity. It reads them both. Let's see, what do you have here? We have variable names, okay? So we have variables in PHP. So let me tell you, I think I'm gonna make maybe a different tutorial about variables, because you can make all kinds of variables, but let me show it just really quickly. So you have variables in PHP, and how do you write a variable? Just get the $sign, okay, and just write whatever you like. So let's say in this case it's color. I'm gonna take another case. Let's say animal is, and guys, you can just type any variable that you want. By the way, it's also case sensitive, but well, yeah, was it case sensitive? We're gonna test it out ourselves. So I'm gonna write animal, and I'm just gonna write, let's say, tiger. Okay. So let's echo. Now we're not gonna just write anything. We're gonna echo the variable. Echo animal. right? And we said, okay, animal is tiger. So let's echo that, and it says tiger. Let me comment out the previous one. Now it says tiger. Yeah, so I can echo, like, if I change this to lion, echo animal, it's gonna be lion. So what if you use big letters? So let's say animal. Is this still gonna work? Well, nobody uses big letters in PHP, so don't do it. I don't recommend it. Yeah, still working, but for readability, everyone uses this. If you use this, they're gonna laugh at you, at your work. So, oh, refresh this, still light. So that is for variables, and of course, this is just a piece of text which we call string. You can type it with double quotes. It's still gonna work, whatever you prefer. You can write a number, let's say 30. It's still gonna work. So you can assign anything to a variable. And you can also reassign it in this case. So we have animal here is 30. But I'm gonna make a new animal variable again. And I'm gonna call it, let's say 40. And now PHP is gonna read this. It's gonna read, okay, animal, variable animal is 30. But now I see another variable, animal, and it's 40. So because this one is more lower, right? Because PHP reads, well, every code in a browser gets read from top to bottom. So because animal is the lowest, it's gonna read this one. Animal is 40. It's gonna show 40. Yes, correct. So yeah, guys. So that was a quick one about variables in PHP. Yeah. So we have also here concutting, and what is concutting is actually pasting two pieces of information together. So here we have a piece of string with a dot. This dot is called concutting. It's like a glue. We have also a variable here, and also another dot and the end. Oh, and a break sign. This is a HTML thingy to just it's like a break in text. So let's see what this concutting is. Okay, so I'm gonna show you. So we're gonna echo. Let's say echo hi YouTube, right? Well, you write YouTube like this. Hi YouTube. So now it's gonna say hi YouTube. Well, that's amazing, but we know how echo works. Now we gotta concat this to another piece of text. So you can, if it's just one text, you can just go on here. But if you want to paste another text, I always use backspaces with a dot and then backspace. So this is the concat thing, and now you can paste or just write something else in here. Hi YouTube, welcome to your guide to website, right? So now it says welcome to your guide to website. If I use a backspace here, we have a nice backspace now. So this is concutting two types of information. But what if I have like a variable? So let's say channel, okay, channel name is guide to website, okay? So now I want to use this variable and I want to use it in here. So I don't want to type guide to website. I just want to use this variable because yeah, you can use variables for every types of situations. So let's just delete this. Welcome. And I'm gonna concat again, just with a dot, and then I'm gonna just type the variable name. So now it's gonna say, if it's correct, hi YouTube, welcome to your concat, and then this variable, which is guide to website. So right now it's gonna do exactly the same. What if I say welcome to your mama, right? I just changed the variable, so now it's gonna say hi YouTube, welcome to your mama. your mama, because I said here your welcome to your mama. So yeah, that is concutting in PHP. Let's give it the name concat. I think it's like concutting, I don't know. Right, so let's go on. So this is like just the basics of PHP, and if you want to know PHP, learn this one first. It's really easy. Let's see, insert the missing part of the code. What is this? This is just the exercise. So yeah, guys, it seems like there was the basic syntax of PHP. And if you want to learn more of PHP, just watch this series. If you have any questions or just want to fight other viewers on YouTube, just go to the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe. I forgot to talk. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you have any questions or something is bothering you about this video, let me know and I will make it better. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next series. Ciao.